Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So if you are new, hi, and if you haven't already, definitely please subscribe. It will really be a big help to me, as well as clicking the like button if you enjoy this video. But today I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing video. I don't think I've done an unboxing on my channel before, but I've been slowly getting into sort of luxury bags and luxury fashion, which is I've sort of developed an unhealthy obsession. I've been obsessed with watching tons of luxury videos. But I wanted to start off really small and something that I've had my eye on for a while now, but it's been pretty hard to find. So I've been pretty much stalking the Louis Vuitton website to see if I can get my hands on it. Because this is an unboxing, I'm going to keep it quite short and sweet, and I'm hopeful that the video won't be too long. So let's get into it. So it came in this box right here, and look, it even says Louis Vuitton. I'm actually obsessed, like obsessed. So I have my receipt here, of course, which I will keep just in case I do decide to sell it. And then here is the item. So it's pretty small. It is an SLG. So I'm going to, I don't want to mess up this cute packaging because it literally took me like 10 minutes just to get that ribbon off. But yeah, let's just slide it open like this, and moment of truth. And so this is what I picked up, and I am so excited about this. So this is the reverse monogram card holder, and I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I will have some up close shots here, but it has 3 slots in total: a slot in the front, a middle slot, and a slot in the back. I have quite a few cards, and in comparison to, for example, the Gucci card holder as well as the, I believe, YSL card holder, this has less slots in it. So I think, I'm not sure how it's going to handle the amount of cards that I have, and I don't want to sort of stretch it out. So this might be sort of my everyday, like my everyday bank card, driver's license. So I'm probably only going to keep maybe 3 to 4 cards in here just because there are fewer slots and I don't want to stretch it out. But I am obsessed with it. I'm so happy that I managed to get it. I basically stalked the website. I was looking for this as well as the mini pochette, which I have not found yet. Like, that is next to impossible to find. I don't know how people are still doing unboxings of that mini pochette because it's incredibly hard to find. But I've got this beauty, and so this is my first ever Louis Vuitton item that I've purchased myself. So this retails for $215 US and 140 pounds. So it's not too bad pricing. It obviously is a luxury item, so it's not going to be, you know, it's going to have some cost to it, but I absolutely love it. I love the reverse monogram print, and I think it looks particularly nice on SLG. So I'm really excited to use this. Let me see where it's made. I'm pretty sure it should be made in Paris. Yes, this is made in France. So I know on the website it definitely says that they can either ship from the USA, Spain and France, and I know like 99.9% people do not want the item from the US, they want it from France. So I'm really happy I got that. And then what's this? Oh, I don't know what this is, but yeah, I'm really excited about this. If you guys have, I'm going to be filming a luxury SLG wish list because I do have quite a few things from Louis Vuitton that I have my eye on. I just want to have a little like Louis Vuitton collection, but I'm so happy with this. I mean, I should probably check for any scuffs, but I think it's all good because I know sometimes Louis Vuitton has like some quality control issues, but from what I see it is pretty good. So I'm really happy with this. Stay tuned for my luxury SLG wish list. If you guys have this item, let me know how it's going. Obviously I'm unboxing it now, so I don't know how well it holds up, but let me know if you've had any glazing issues, if any stitches have popped up, because that would be my biggest nightmare. And I really don't want to be that person that's like going to the Louis Vuitton store being like, listen, the stitches popped, you need to fix this, the glazing is like messed up, you need to fix this. I don't want to be that person. But let me know how this is holding up. Do you use it for every day, or do you use it sort of for special occasions? But because there are fewer slots in here, I sort of have to be selective when I want to take this out. But just from first impressions, I'm really happy with this, and I'm so excited. It's small, but I feel like when you're going into luxury, you start off small and then sort of work your way up. But I'm really happy with this, and yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for more luxury videos, because I have a lot more coming up. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.